All right, Marissa, thank you so much. It's day 2 of the Supreme Court confirmation hearing for Judge Amy Coney Barrett.
And 2 issues will be center stage today: health care and abortion. ABC's Elizabeth Schulze is in Washington with the latest.
This morning, a new and likely more contentious phase in the hearing of Judge Amy Coney Barrett. Beginning today, 12 Republicans and 10 Democrats on the Senate Judiciary Committee, including Vice Presidential candidate Kamala Harris, will question the Supreme Court nominee.
Replacing Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg with someone who will undo her legacy. President Trump is attempting to roll back Americans' rights for decades to come.
Senate Republicans, who are confident they already have the votes to confirm Barrett before Election Day, say her Catholic faith should be off limits.
But what your political opponents want to paint you as is a TV or cartoon version of a religious radical.
But in a united front Monday, Democrats stayed away from personal attacks on Judge Barrett, instead making her confirmation about the fate of the Affordable Care Act, with the Supreme Court set to hear arguments on a challenge to the law next month.
Stripping health care from millions of Americans during a pandemic, that's really what is at stake.
Barrett has criticized the 2012 Supreme Court ruling that upheld Obamacare. She will also face questions on abortion. She previously signed an advertisement calling Roe v. Wade infamous and calling for the unborn to be protected in law. During her opening statement, Barrett said her philosophy has been shaped by her mentor, the late Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia.
But courts are not designed to solve every problem or right every wrong in our public life. The policy decisions and value judgments of government must be made by the political branches, elected by and accountable to the people.
Meanwhile, Joe Biden dodging questions still about whether he supports adding more justices to the Supreme Court. Biden saying yesterday he's not a fan of the idea, but he wouldn't rule it out. Elizabeth Schulze, ABC News, Washington.